chiamò, ladies and gentlemen, Frecce Tricolori 2024!
Green, white and red, giant triangle configuration. This is the only maneuver where all the 10 and the 39ers are within the same formation. The next will be the first and only separation where the formation is going to split into 3 sections. Triangle is turning smoothly to the left and slowly taking the shape of a roll. Let's go up, addressed to his wingman by the voice of Pony 1, and this will be the great separation of the cardioid.
To the left, 4 to the right. Now prepare your cameras and don't miss the opportunity to take the best picture. The first, the most crossing. 4,000 feet at the top of the front wall. The first one on the right is performing a looping while the second on the left is performing above Cuban 8. Get now on board the last in the row 4. By the voice of Major Oscar Del Don, the second slot. The first on the left, the solo, with his 4 times rolling. It's 4 90 degrees rolls, one after another. The rotation along the axis is performed with a twisting flight path like driving the internal of a giant barrel. It looks like just one huge airplane is performing the maneuver, but each aircraft in this moment is following a different line in order to maintain the right position with the information. Closing now is barrel roll. Information is given along the display line, 350 knots, white smoke, inverted flight. Then a roll at the display center. Exploring the technical features of our MD-59 and aircraft able to sustain a prolonged upside-down flight and then to go up staying inverted where the solo is looking for the formation across the canopy. One is ready to perform the next maneuver. Now ready, the Major Raspa. While turning, it will take 12 seconds to cover all the display line, never stopping its rotation. We are one of the few teams in the world performing this maneuver from bottom to top. Let's get ready for the motion of the heart of Frecce Tricolori, and it's gonna be accompanied by the voice of Andrea Bocelli.
follows a perfect circle with the white smoke, then goes inverted. And up. -3 Gs for an absolute value difference of about 10 Gs. Solo pilot is climbing away to the right, driving a giant cowboy lasso and from the same Pony 4, Captain Alessandro Sommariva, and Pony 5, Captain Simone Fanfarillo start rolling at the same time and repositioning. Once again the stage to the solo pilot. The information leading to the left, while changing again its shape, but let's look again for the solo pilot on the right. That's a nice skill maneuver exalting pilot capability of coordinating flight controls, cloche and rudder pedals to maintain aircraft tail perfectly uniform. This time a right-handed roll performed in a configuration increasing considerably the definitive execution of this maneuver. The formation rotates gently around this axis as if it were a single giant airlifter long about 70 meters. This was the graceful right barrel roll swan formation. And after the elegance of this roll, the pilot is their turn. Take a look at the white helmet of the pilot while it's being literally pushed out of the cockpit by a force about 3 times his weight. Aircraft side by side in 3 lines driving this giant inverted triangle. Which is now going up with the green, white and red of the Italian flag. The solo pilot nose down and then up, climbing vertical like riding the smokes of the main formation and inserts in the separation of the 2 sections. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the break of the Arizona. An historical figure by Frecce Tricolori dedicated to a place that used to be the meeting place and friends without any military formalism. This time, the warm hug of the Arizona is dedicated to all of you. Maneuver. White smoke stick full travel back to the belly and then going up, standing to the blue sky over Orange County up to 4,000 feet. The air is becoming heavier and heavier over his MB-59 and at the end, no way, the gravity force will be the winner. Zero speed for an instant and then down inside the sound smokes. Ladies and gents, this is the tail slide of solo of Frecce Tricolori. Ladies and gentlemen, for you today the great emotion of the green, white and red of the tricolor spark, la scintilla tricolore. Ready for something very special because we want to show you what the talent engineering can realize is put together with the passion. Our pilots, MB-59 of Frecce Tricolori, one of the few jets in the world able to perform the non-solar. Therefore, let's introduce him as our pony number 10 at his first season as Frecce Tricolori solo. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to clap your hands for Major Federico De Cecco. Bassani in Pony 3, Captain Leonardo Leo rolling around second wing. Ladies and gentlemen, the amazing split of the bomb. So, it's time to choose your favorite one and the following inverting and pointing insert to the center of the display. It's gonna be 9 different directions, 3 different levels of vertical separation. Don't miss the most breathtaking crossing of the show. It's going to show us the basic maneuver of our aerobatics, gear down and a landing configuration, but no intention for him to land. It will be a barrel roll then a looping with a range of just 100 kilometers per hour between stall speed and gear over speed. Use at our 61st wing in Lecce, Galatina, south of Italy, to train our military pilots. IFTS, International Flight Training School, a flagship of our center military. Of our My Charlie 39 tricolor belly during this low-speed Schneider turn with the aero brake extended. Synthesis of skills in the down from pilot to pilot and technical features. So